Welcome back to NG Auto Review, where we dive deep into the most iconic rides on the road. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of America's most ferocious performance machines, the Dodge Viper. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of raw power and bold design. So buckle up, because this review is going full throttle. Right off the bat, the Dodge Viper's exterior screams performance. From its low-slung body to the aggressive hood vents and wide rear fenders, this beast looks fast even when it's standing still. Every curve and line has been sculpted with aerodynamics in mind. The massive side exhausts, the pronounced front splitter, and the distinctive snake badge grille give it a menacing presence. Whether you're rolling through city streets or parked at a show, this car turns heads. Under the hood, it's all muscle. The Dodge Viper is powered by an 8.4-liter V10 engine, producing up to 645 horsepower and 600 pound-feet of torque in its final editions. That's enough to rock it from 0 to 60 in just about 3.5 seconds. But it's not just about straight-line speed, the Viper is also track-ready. With a near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution, advanced suspension, and massive Brembo brakes, it grips corners with confidence. It's raw, loud, and demands respect from anyone behind the wheel. Inside, the Viper keeps things focused. The cockpit is driver-centric, with a minimalist dash, sporty bucket seats, and high-quality materials like Alcantara and leather. You won't find a ton of luxury extras here, this car is built for performance. That said, there's a touchscreen infotainment system, a decent audio setup, and enough creature comforts to make your drive enjoyable. But really, the interior reminds you, this is a machine with one purpose, driving hard. Now let's talk numbers. When it was last in production, the base price started around $90,000, with higher trims and special editions climbing well past the $120,000 mark. On the used market today, values can vary widely depending on condition, mileage, and model year, but many consider it a modern classic, and prices are beginning to reflect that. That wraps up today's review. If you're after a pure, unapologetic American sports car, the Dodge Viper still stands in a class of its own. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dive reviews here on NG Auto Review. Thanks for watching, we'll catch you in the next one.